I also have the Richards family, Lorraine and Roy from the Richards family in USA. We have 500 US here. This is 500 US from the Richards family, Lorraine and Roy. We have 40 US here for you from Ava from the USA, from Florida. So Ava sent 40 US for you.
Ava.
The my barbecue at top and the normal one there right below.
No, the normal one.
Come carry the one.
Normal one.
You want barbecue nice?
I take it too.
Kina bigger 1 minute.
Yeah.
It's just a regular Saturday night in the summer. Same guys and girls are all party in the streets. It's like the music stopped playing the moment I saw your body.
Christopher, I feel like you can write a hit song about this river.
Definitely, bro.
Oh.
It was something like, up a King River to wash my dreams.
Yeah. Hope you're Miami River.
Yeah.
So I'm going to put in the Miami River.
Up on the rock, Kino bring some KFC.
Hey. And the kids them I enjoy.
Don't make it get to them head.
Yeah. And we are the food sweet them. They want it again.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
Well. Good morning. Welcome guys, welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica. I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are. You could have evening, morning, night. I hope you're having a blessed one. Yes guys, so you know today, you know, we have one of our extended family, you know, want to treat the Cranberry family, you know, with some KFC. Like they say KFC, nobody does it better. Finger licking good. So yes guys, so that is it. We're gonna get done today, you know, and we've also got some donation for the family also. And you know guys, really like the progress that's going on, you know, with the family, you know, with the dad putting in all his work, you know, getting things done. As I say, he's also a plus, you know, for the family, you know. At least it's not gonna cost them for anyone to be doing labor work, you know. So the dad is just taking his time day by day, you know, taking the opportunity that he got to just make use of that. And it's really a blessing for you guys to reach out, you know, to help the family. I would thank them so much, you know. And a lot of people, you know, always talk about Cranberry, you know, because Cranberry is really a blessing, you know. She's really a blessing. I can see that her dad is watching over her, you know. And for most of you viewers who haven't know about Cranberry, you know, biological father, you know, he did pass away, you know, when she's about 3 years old. You know, Cranberry dad passed away, you know. Sad to say, you know, in a manner that we don't want to get into it, you know, because it was uncalled for and everything, but you know, Father God knows what's best. And I can tell that he's literally around watching over to see Cranberry getting all these blessings as well too, you know, because as I said, she lose her dad, you know, biological father at the age of 3, so she not knowing or remembering, like, you know, most things about her dad. So that's why most time she will call me dad and all these good things. So you know, I'm glad I can try to guide her on her journey, because you know, they all need the guidance, especially, you know, girl childs, you know. I remember me myself, I got a daughter as well too, so it's just the same for the same, you know. I like to look out for each other, you know, with them know they need guidance, and she's such a lovely person, you know, the whole family, you know. So we're here to help each other, and we're not gonna stop, you know, because it's just the way of life, you know, be showing love, you know, guidance to each and every one, you know. So yes guys, so that's the case, you know, with Cranberry. And for some reason, you know, our spirit first met when I first, you know, when I first went to Mama River, me and her, we got that connection from the get-go, you know, and that's how it leads to everything today. So imagine if I never went to the river that day. And I cannot say imagine if I never went to that river. It was ordained. It was meant to happen, because nothing in life happen. It's a coincidence. That it meant to happen. I meant to went to the river that day, and me and Cranberry meant to meet at that day, you know. And so said, so done. Here we are today, you know, giving them the help and the guidance and their journey, you know, because it is what it is, guys. We always have to look out for each other. So I hope you're having a good day anywhere you are, guys. So remember, please, right, to always like the video, you know, whenever you're watching. And please, I'm asking, guys, always keep it positive. I know sometimes people, they will say, oh, Kina, I love what you're doing, and way, you know, I don't mean to be negative, but yes, you're gonna still start commenting something negative, like, why are you gonna say you don't mean to be negative, but yet you're gonna comment something that's gonna start a negative feud, you know? So it's either make up your mind, you understand? Though there's no point you say, oh, I don't mean to be negative or judgmental, but yet you're gonna type what you don't meant to do, you know? Once you're meant to do it, you're gonna do it. Anything in life you're meant to do, you're gonna do it, because the task that come to your mind is just you're gonna do it. You're gonna do it. Literally, you're gonna do it. So if you say I'm gonna go work, I'm gonna go work. But if I say I'm never meant to do this and I do it, that means I did meant to do it. I was just saying the meant because I don't want it to look like I'm coming out right, you know, to be judging this person or to be negative, you know. And guys, we have to also understand, so we have to give people a chance. You know, a lot of them talk about Cranberry mom, she should be doing this. You have to understand, say, she's been going through life one way. You understand? And when people, sometimes people do lack hope, you know, and then lose kind of faith, it's like those get laid back and just be living the life that they've been living. Like how you have a lot of people in the village, they know nothing better, you know. They get up, they just know the village life, and they say, yo, like they don't see a way out. You understand? Because that's most cases with a lot of people that go through a lot of stuff in life. It's like they don't see a way out till when time someone come around. So they will literally take them time, you know. For example, look at even Natisha. When Natisha used to go through her stages, people will say, she don't smile, she don't this, she don't this, and she don't that, and she don't look grateful. But guys, you have to understand what people been going through. You understand? So it's like a paint. You know, when you already paint that wall like that, it's gonna take time for you to change the color of the paint. And that's you're not gonna paint it now and then paint it tomorrow. Everything is gonna take time in life. So we have to give people time and patience. Not because you're in a position where you could literally do better and that person not doing better. It doesn't mean they're not gonna change. They will change. You understand? Where you cannot push down something, you give people time, you know, for them to literally adapt, you know, to a different phase of life, you know. We all have to do that. So that's why I'm saying, guys, keep it positive, you know, in whatever you're doing. You know, if you know anything that you do, you're meant to do it. Nothing in life is a coincidence. So if you say, yo, I never meant to be negative, but yes, you do it. That's what it meant to do, because you've done it. Yeah, so, you know, nothing but love. I love you all. I love you guys all so much. So stay tuned. I'm going to head to Trenchtown and meet up with Esther, start out this donation, then head to KFC, get the KFC, and then head to Mama River. So blessed love to all. Blessed love. Peace, Dream Team 1 team. guys, so I stopped off here in Trenchtown, you know, to pick up Boom, Esther, and even Christopher Ellis as well, to say he's gonna roll with us. You know, we all know Christopher Ellis, who's also Arthur Ellis' son. What? Yeah, who's also Arthur Ellis' son, you know, who's our extended family also. You always hear the name, you know, the Ellis family, so he's gonna roll with us as well too, up towards Miami River. You know, so you know the thing goes already. Boom, come in. So I also got Gary, come here. Yeah, so I got a donation as well too to give out while I'm here. So this is from Ava. Ava, they sent 100 US here for 40 for Gary. Messi. Now we have run out of breath. Run out of breath. We have 40 US here for you from Ava, from the USA, from Florida. So Ava sent 40 US for you.
Ava from Florida, USA. Big up all extended family. Thanks.
Yeah.
Kino, bigger 1 minute.
Yeah.
It's just a regular Saturday night in the summer. Same guys and girls are all partying in the streets. It's like the music stopped playing the moment I saw your body. Did you come here with someone or come to party with me? Malida, I don't know where, girl. Where you been all my life? Where you been trying to hide? It's like you come. Big up Dream Team. Kino, all excellent family. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate this. I put it to good use.
Alright then. Yeah. Hero of Boom. We have 20 US as here for you. Boom, and you feed off him face a fish and what a bola. Fish and bola. Bread and a bag juice.
Fruit juice.
Fruit, natural juice in the bag.
I'm from down at my school.
Yes. Unsafe. Big up yourself. By your school. See, 20 US here for you from Ava, from Florida.
Ava, thanks and blessing and one love. Thanks. Blessing, love.
Alright. So we have 20 for Smiley. Right. And 20 for Esther. So waiting at Esther to come out now. Once Esther come out, we're just going to eat the road jack. Right now. So you know the thing goes already. So blessed love. Aye, cool. Right one will come. Right one will come. Guys, I came at the right one because this one up here is hectic. It's not full. KFC for the
Somebody needs to get one more coffee and one pizza.
Alright guys, so our extended family, the one that sent to buy the KFC, her name is she want to be called Browning and Mommy. So big up yourself Browning and your mommy, you know, for the KFC for Cranberry family. You know, so big up yourself Browning and Mommy. Brown skin. I don't remember that song. Yeah, but big up yourself Browning. Tita. KFC for the kids. Nobody does it better. So, are we trying the party one that? At the party? Party 21, yeah.
9, 12, 15, 21, and the big one.
So at the party one.
Wow, the family one?
Yeah, the 21. This are you too?
Yeah. Like the order?
Yeah. Plus, yeah, definitely. Quick up. The man is Sprite, you know. We have Christopher Ellis here.
What going?
Esther, when I keep it at the back.
So what, you come already?
Yeah. Keep it in there, man.
I'm still up on north.
Yeah, man. Take a slide on.
I'm the balance.
Up this. Christopher doesn't have no Sprite, you know.
Yeah. No. I said, right, or anything. Say that again. Alright, let me call you back in.
So we got some chicken, one piece. Also we have Christopher Ellis here on the scene, feeding his face.
We can't promote them because they're not pay with.
Yeah, he's just eating some chicken.
Yeah.
Chicken without name.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So we're gonna stop right up at the supermarket and get the dog food. You know, we have an extended family. Janet, Robin, Okina. Get some food, dog food, some Papa Chow for the dog. We're come in this direction, so everything is within the same direction.
See it here.
Alright guys, so we get the stuff and get the dog food. With real beef, Esther, I get some of this to go with it. Huh? Actually, let me this is real beef the dog I'm gonna get, yeah? So, you get both. Oh, can I get stuff too?
Yeah, that's it. Naglagal sa taas sa bahay.
Yeah.
Ang panood niya.
So we have Christopher Ellis up here for the first time. Welcome.
Big up, enough love, bro.
I know your mommy watching this right now. She said, "Oh, Christopher, get to meet Cranberry."
Yeah. Big up all the people.
Yeah.
The
Extended family.
family. Not the donuts.
Yeah.
Long time I don't see him.
Yeah, long time they don't see you too. Them are like, I wonder if him still got dance. Him still got dance, man. I go out to play rubber dub, you know.
You know, I see some people and they're like, they say to me, oh. Me think so them off of music. Like, oh, see you on Kino.
Yeah.
You know places I go, bro.
And it's not the music.
Yeah.
And I think them I know you through the music.
Yeah, bro.
Hey.
Not my people, bro.
Just. So you have to give thanks same way, you know. You can hear the river from here, right? Alright guys, so we just touched down one bottle of juice for the whole family. So we got that 21-piece chicken, you know, from Browning and our mommy. You know, so blessings to Browning and our mommy. We thank you so much for blessing the family, you know, with this KFC. 21-piece now the day. Hey, imagine if I was getting that while I was eating chicken in them days. I eat 10 for myself. Yeah, and we got the dog food as well too. And that is also from Janet Robbins. You know, I want to thank you as well to buy the dog food and the thin one as well to go with it. The puppy chow. Oh, Esther, see the black them come.
Yeah, Mr.
So I see the black them is here. Black them come. This is the river. Huh? For him live? Across the river out there. Yeah. So we'll cross the river. Up here near Mama River. can't jump across there, sir. Tom Chris, you have to go jump across there, sir. Yeah. We're there in the wilderness, nature life. You know? It's all nature life, bro. Yeah. It's easy. I'll show you how to do it. Just easy. One jump cross. Come on. You play ball, so you most can't spring. Yeah. You're in your ankle.
It's sore already.
I played football last night as well, you know.
Is it? Where?
In Seaview. I was paying up, bro. And me jumping that river was something else. So this is it, man. And they live up there. Hey, I went football for the first time in a long while. Literally, yes, last night. Trust me, I haven't played football in 2 months and change. You know, 2 months and change. I haven't played football, and I thought I would have been more unfit. But when I went back to training, yeah. When I went back to training, it's like I was still playing all my time. You know? It's a fitness for you, Chris. I imagine they have to do this all the time. So this is what you see. They're all living there, and this is what we're doing. Nana. Woo. I'm turning the radio. Turn the radio.
In 1940, Hattie McDaniel was the first
Toko sleeping.
to win an Academy.
Oh, she acting.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take by the KFC,
When
right?
she start laugh, she not sleep.
Alright, we're gonna take by the KFC then. Right? Anna, here. Where's Cranberry?
Cranberry.
She not there?
Tea and shampoo.
Oh. What puppy there?
You know, I'm just gone.
I'm just gone.
Yeah.
Oh.
Some black on the river.
I'm starting some work around here already. Oh. That's a black car. Let's move that family, please. Okay. Oh, and stuff. What is that again? The kitchen or the bathroom?
The
bathroom.
Kitchen at the front.
Kitchen at the front door. Oh, wow. Start the black thing.
Sunday we start bring over the black them, people bring over the black them.
Oh, from Sunday?
Yeah.
Wow.
You want to pull on the front part
Yeah.
and start black around. But you say maybe you use the 2 before and do like when you run that front.
Yeah.
But then just use one more black that you can just put it up.
Okay. So guys, as you can see, you know, this is the bathroom. You know, daddy started to bring up already. The side part here. You know. So here's where the bathroom is going to be. So Chris, here's where they're going to build a bathroom. Can't make the walk. You have to get used to the country life. It's not even country, it's still in Kingston. St. Andrew. So they're building a bathroom here as well. Watch that. Jaja, watch her right now and I laugh.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello. Nana. Nana, that's Nana. And you have Toko. And these are some big swimmers, these kids, you know.
I can imagine.
Yeah. They live there. Big swimmers. They're the future for Jamaica Olympics. You know?
I wonder if I can night time here.
Nice.
It must be dark, isn't it? No lights, isn't it?
You know, they have lights there, so you can see the lights there.
Oh, yeah.
And everything. But up here at night time, nice. You know? Up here is very, very nice, man. Trust me.
You got television in there? No television?
No. None. No internet.
That's probably a good thing.
Yeah. They got no internet. But them work on the data and the phone though.
Okay.
But no internet. You know the rural life though, you know?
Yeah, the kind of life there.
So they right here, they put in a bathroom right here. As you can see, that was the bathroom there behind you.
Oh, that.
Yeah.
So how would it work? It's not, obviously you can't flush, it's not the flush thing.
No. So they're building a pit down there right now. They're building a pit. You know, they were listen, the life that they was going through was because of this that they're surrounded by, why they have that little peace and that, you know.
Yeah, I understand.
It's like the nature life helps them
Definitely.
in a positive way.
Definitely, bro.
Because if they was like living in like, say for instance, in the ghetto, like
yeah, if you had this with the stress of the
ghetto so much,
yeah,
you know,
the water, the river, swimming,
yeah,
help your meds.
help the meds a lot, trust me, a lot, because them swim like, hey, 24/7, they swim non-stop, they swim non-stop, you know, yeah.
Be very careful out here, though.
Well, see this now, this all up, this the root. This is the cotton tree, that big giant cotton tree. This is the root here you're looking at it now. And this is what all of this. Yeah. And the root run go all the way down to the river as well. So this all up this right here right now. You know? but imagine, but look at those houses on the hill right there, see me, you know?
Yo, I always marvel at how they build it. Building a house on a flat surface is easy.
But and
No, sorry, that's even complex.
Yeah.
Flat surface.
Yeah.
But to build on the hill, how did it? The measurements. And they're great.
Yeah, they're great, man. Trust me. They're great, bro. I'm going to go back around, so we're getting some donations. Yes, guys, as you can see, the dad is putting in some work, you know. Start to lay the blocks already, you know, because see, that was what they was using in there, bro. Yeah. So it's the Liberty fam. All right. They say we bring dog food as well for the dogs, you know. You know. See the puppy chow here. Yeah, and the canned food. Come, this is for you guys. Smell it? You know we're gonna try it. Let them get some. So I don't know how to do it.
In the bucket. Go for
She's Cranberry here. Cranberry.
Stop being shy.
I heard a lot of good things about you.
Yeah.
I hear your name coming up. So it means you're a nice person, right? Are you a nice person?
Yeah.
That's good. It's good to know that.
He's speaking to you.
It's good to know that.
His name is Christopher. Say hello, Christopher.
My mom mentioned you first. Oh, I like Cranberry. I never know. I said, who's Cranberry? Oh, if you go to Kilo, you'll see her.
Yeah.
She said she don't go for the bucket for the dogs.
No, I'm not sending her for any bucket yet. I'm gonna stop come up here, right? Right, Ken?
You know, say from there she a preach say I come.
Mm.
And your mommy, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the mommy there.
What's your name?
Kenisha.
Kenisha, okay.
But now come back, come look for you then, Cranberry. Yeah? Is that okay? We're not, yeah? Not coming back again, you know. What? I'm not coming back.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. You gonna come back.
Nah, come back here no more, man.
You
Boy,
come back.
But no, why may I come back? Why you but if you behave like this, why don't I come back? You, if you act like this, I'm not gonna come back. Right?
Yeah.
No. You want me to come back? No. You don't want me to come. Tara, gotta go on a fair shell. Sorry then, so where's the bar? That bring come Esther. We have KFC for days, you know. Okay, I'm not give them any. Toko? Where's Toko? Come here, Toko.
Come to me for no come.
Why your ears like this? You go to school today?
For the Jamaica Day.
Jamaica Day.
Yeah.
Mm.
They must be, every one of them have to pay 2,000 each. So I just let them stay instead.
Oh, 2,000 each?
Yeah.
Toko, you don't swim?
She'll be here.
Toko, white. No, that can't use. You need something broader, like a cover. Or a big bucket pan. That's what you use? That's small?
Yeah.
And feed them?
The puppy will feed it.
No. I remember in KFC for them. That's a 21 piece. What's the 21 piece of chicken? And that is from Browning and Mommy. Yeah, 21 piece of chicken. I wish I cut that eye off. Boom. Cranberry, you know, say I don't like how you're acting today. I'm gonna go and leave you and come back. Today's the last I'm gonna come back. Right, Nana? What you say?
Today me need to give my mother trouble and sleep. Me don't care sleep and my mother drive.
Nana, yeah, go and don't come back, you know. Nana, you don't want that though. Exactly. So talk to the Cranberry. Say, Cranberry, fix up yourself. Tell her, Nana.
Come up for Nana.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Coco, give me that phone here. Give me the phone. Give me the phone. Alright, come. We have KFC now. Come, kids. We have KFC. We have 21 pieces for your mommy and daddy and your friend, right? So many chickens.
Look, man.
And you can't eat that half?
This guy, can't give them, bro.
Yeah, but we're gonna mix it with some of that. Some more you thank Browning and Mommy. So thank you, Browning.
Thank you, Browning and Mommy.
Look this direction. So thank you, Browning and Mommy.
Thank you, Browning and Mommy.
Okay, Nana.
Thank you, Browning and Mommy.
Alright then, Toko. So thank you, Browning and Mommy.
Thank you, Browning and Mommy.
Yeah. Tara, you want chicken?
You want chicken?
Tara, ever in your mommy and why you always in your mommy and here, Tara, all the cups. Alright, so we can put on the chicken film already, right? And ready to eat it? So we can ready to eat. Alright, put it down. We're going to slide out when you're going to feed the dog also. So, can we have some donation as well for you? So, let me give the dog food first, okay? Always. If you not going to eat, the dog have to eat. Come on, one little bucket cover. You know the
Yeah, try to get one sometime.
one big bucket cover. Right, Toko? Hey, Christopher is a sheep, the young dolphin. Yeah. She's the dolphin, bro. Yeah. Bro. Yeah, yo, see where we jump? Look at one day. Yeah, when she fly over that like nothing. So look man. Come here.
Look, man! Taxi man!
she? Dolphin.
Look, that's right to me now.
Yeah. She matter. Is that dolphin here? What?
So they born here,
Yeah. So you know the river is your life. You come on. And come at the right time. I make them give a KFC as well, yeah? They got KFC. Toko, did you see them see? Yeah?
There's enough KFC for all nation.
Yeah, 21. 21 seconds to go. Go. 21 seconds to go. Go. What's that? Let me see that. Bring it, come and see it. It bursts. It bursts. That burst.
There's no road there, isn't it?
Road?
Yeah.
Yeah, the main road up there.
Main road.
Yeah, you know, like you're heading to Maryland, you know, Maryland? I see where we turn left off the main road out there? That's a sharp left. But the left after that. Yeah. You can drive all the way there, go way up in, heading towards Newcastle and them place. You know, you have a Newcastle where the army camp is.
England, Newcastle?
No, it's where it's at the Jamaica Newcastle. Way up in the hill that is, you know. Yeah. Way up. So here what, them don't have no plate, no big bucket cover. So we have to go use this, put some dog food on it for them. That we have to go do. You know, all these things. You get a knife?
Should I bring a knife?
Nana, where's the knife? Oh, Nana.
Yeah, cut it.
Nana, knife. So when you cut up meat and cut up meat and something?
Yeah. Normally when we are here,
Yeah.
just say, but just ask you and I'm get it. I'm just cut up.
Oh, so you now I'm borrow the knife for a moment?
Yeah.
Give me the cold water. You see that one?
Oh, boom water that. Chop it now. You know, can cut it with that. Cut the bottle with that, with the cutlass.
No, me I say, but this is like a roller.
Yeah, that's what I said. Cut the bottle. Yeah. Sure.
See them on eat already, you know. Gotta mash up that.
That can.
This can stuff yourself. Something stuff it.
Water.
Some water Cranberry. You laugh Cranberry, so I'm to get some water.
Boom water gone.
Something to stuff this. You have a cloth? Old cloth when I use? Old cloth or something? Stuff that bucket there. Stuff this. You see Esther? They might go down and I...
Check it flavored. Man, them bunks have the bag. Move the bag key now.
Oh, the man don't get to it.
Where the rest of the cookie? Where the rest of them?
The dog that for them dog, you know, so?
Come, Brownie, yeah. Brownie, come over here, come. Right there. We'll get puppy chow. A tree dog on them? I can fear them this, right?
Where the puppy them there?
Oh, for the bush.
But you can't go because the mother go.
Yeah, so the mother. This mother have one puppy.
She have out a lot.
Just one.
Because, you know why that, you know? When them young and start a puppy, them have a lot. When them get old, one and two it cut down, break down. So she have out a lot.
You hold them. She again, she have none.
I would tell, you know somebody tell me that? You know, I see they find something.
You see that show now?
Yeah.
Ken? Keisha? You find a piece of okra?
It's a beer. They might be selfish as a beer growing.
This is all faster than the mother front for him.
Yeah, okay.
Are the mother for them Cranberry? Are the mother that? The black dog are the mommy? The mother front and them.
Oh, the mother.
Yeah.
This now?
You there?
Alright, so we'll separate it.
Hey, stop it.
Yang channel na iitin. Wala.
Don't put at the edge, man.
It's soft, look at some monkey, right? It's soft, you can look at it. Even though we eat it same way. And then some of the can together. Big up yourself, Miss Janet. Dog, them eat beef. Kenisha, come here. So I go on. Dog, them eat live too. Oh, this one, Nana.
It's a dog, them KFC.
Yeah. So you see this.
Man, alone, I go on alone, so put some more after.
Separate it down.
Yeah, man, go on.
In tuna, in the swallow.
You cut and swallow.
Yeah, I got fight in a moment. So you know what I gotta do? I gotta put some excuse. Give me some.
You can't put at the edge in the key now. The dog is from church to chapel.
Come here, Brownie.
Bruna move shy.
Go on, Desi, go on.
Our son. Oh, if Browning son that?
Yeah.
So Cranberry said the dog them have fear one.
Tabu farm.
Or grand
Yeah,
the Maga one mother and then the Maga one have him.
She's afraid.
Him, go and sell my belly liquor and maga one. Yeah, man, eat another one. No one want to eat it after that.
Right?
You ever go move? You ever go move it?
Come.
Man.
Speedy Gonzalez. Speedy Gonzalez on there.
Where can I say in
Them see, man.
Imala
I'm born.
Trimble. Oh God.
The mother come take over. The mother look very healthy though.
Because she's government.
Yeah.
Government.
Come down here at Tijuana.
But the
So wait now, mother and daughter this now. And this are the
Our grandson.
oh, mother and grandson. Okay, I understand now.
Yeah, son.
Okay.
Cranberry, bring it back, come.
Share with the grandchild.
No, I guess
You
what?
go river? No, them go down here river go drink. Yeah. You see them go river drink water.
Go on, can you again?
Him not get none. Watch it. Watch a belly lick one yeah.
At least now, look, the slimmest one get the most.
Yeah.
The camera is going to feed them, right? And the tin food as well.
Want his mother come eat.
Mother nah feel it, make him get mad. Mother nah get loud.
His mother nah.
Mother get fat like mommy. Yeah, mother son now.
Coco, okay? You swim today? Yeah?
Took her father himself in our chair.
Or car and swim today? I got some money to go now. Right? Money on. Got money. Who are rich today?
Them there is only going in a whole part of the whole man get it out, make a bite it out.
In this one?
Yeah.
I just knock it over on that. Alright. And the mother take over.
Yeah, food.
Yeah, food.
The mother breastfeeding us.
Yeah. Mama hungry.
Brownie umbrella.
Yeah, brownie number. Alright guys, so they got there. Now get the food. Kids get KFC. And plus them all get some money. I don't know what's wrong with Cranberry today. This is the last time I'm coming back today. So Cranberry can say goodbye to me. I'm not coming back.
Yesterday I'm sick.
Who is sick? You sick? When?
That's why I come here sleep and I'm waiting for you.
You don't sleep? When you sick? Sleep the whole day today? Why? What happened?
She done gone a river.
We never catch Cranberry a river yet. What happened to her today? You sick?
She just sleep all day.
Another siege.
You don't see her lip swell up.
When I get back, when I get the results?
Me know say tomorrow I'm supposed to go feed.
Tomorrow.
I'll end up call down there. So by tomorrow it's supposed to be up here. Me just take a pic and make you see it. Before you go down to UC. Before you even go down to UC, you're supposed to take a video with it. See me.
Alright, I come here tomorrow. Can I come? I come all a swim. A long time I don't swim. I really need a wash up. Because the other day we go river and me never really swim. So I'm coming. Tomorrow, definitely sure. Because I want to swim. But not lie. Tomorrow I'm come relax. You understand, Christopher? Yeah. I'm gonna come lie down in that river tomorrow and relax, and relax myself, because the other day when I was at the Rampa Falls, while everyone was swimming, I was cooking. So by the time I go in the water for like 2 minutes to come back out to go in the kitchen. So tomorrow I'm gonna really come here and relax. River for me. Right? River for me tomorrow.
White nose. Easy. White nose.
White nose this. Hey, white nose not ease up, you know. From white nose, mouth go down, you know, ease up.
Are you doing that though?
Okay, when I come, everybody that at work. Esther gonna be at work. Boomer gonna be at work. You know. Like midday.
Active, man.
You're active?
Yeah.
Alright, so Christopher say my role. You see me? You gonna be at home? You gonna go in school? So you get home tomorrow? So you come swim then? Yeah? You swim tomorrow? I never see you swim yet. On top of the water? Cranberry can't swim?
Yeah.
She can't swim?
Yes, she said the water pull up my one of my ear. You don't see good? Look at.
No, I'm not see good.
You know, she's a last skip boss. Yesterday, a woman say, your mother love to beat you and she cream your ear too. That's how the ear I pull out so fast. So confident ear don't pull out.
Come here, Nana. Come here, she can't swim? Tell the truth.
Yeah.
Alright, come Ken. There's some donation here. First, let me give you the change from the KFC, because the lady sent a donation and she said I should give you the change. Yeah. You're good now?
Yeah, she's out of her shell now.
Yeah. Say, you can say hi to his mommy. Say
Sigma. Say hello, Sigma.
Say hello.
Sigma.
Say hello, Sigma.
Hello, her name is Sigma.
Hello, Sigma.
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 Sig.
Sigma.
Sig.
I don't know if it's like
SIG. SIG.
Sigma.
SIG.
Sigma.
Yeah.
Sigma.
Sigma. Alright then.
You know, so if you're being mother.
So all you never feel for his mom, you never see his mom.
He's grown like his mother. Look at him face.
Come to movie and go. Your mother.
Where mother there?
His mother live a foreign.
It's soon, no man. Alright, so we have the donation here from Browning
You see something there?
and our mommy Kenisha. Come here, Kenisha, come close. Tara, why you not put on Tara?
Tara, come down, come here.
Esther, come for Tara, Esther. Say Esther here, come on Esther.
Bring her come Cranberry.
Come, we are going back again.
Come, bring her go Esther.
Come here, we are going to buy ice cream.
Tara, Esther wants you.
What?
Tara, come.
Esther, come here.
It's not fine.
Dog.
You remember the day when they buy the ice cream?
No, let's walk past
the
her.
ice cream, them nice. Mommy, you come for the phone?
Say Esther here, Tara.
Come, Tara, come.
Don't extra for
Everybody,
Watch out.
so today, Not chocolate, everybody. Now them share. Cranberry, now share, Nana.
In your shell, miss.
We're not shy.
In your shell.
Stop your life.
Alright then, so Kenisha, come closer here. Come outside here. All the person out them shell is the dog. The dog them having a fields day. Right? So Kenisha, so from Browning and our mommy, the remaining from the change from the KFC, this is $20,000 in your ear, so to help out with the rest. So
Browning
and our mommy.
and your mommy, thank you so much for this. And may God bless you and make your food basket never run dry.
Browning and your mommy, thank you so much.
Alright, still Browning and her mommy. So Browning and your mommy.
Thank you so much.
Alright then. Yeah. Talk here. Come Tara, come go Esther get ice cream. Want ice cream?
It sounds so far.
Want ice cream?
Don't go eat already.
Come get ice cream. Come Tara. Come, we'll get ice cream. Come Akino. Come, we'll get ice cream. Come. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. I say she come at me. She will say ice cream. Alright, come here. Cranberry. Move that bucket there. Alright, move it now. Put it over there, so. Because I'm going to unbug me right now. Bring it over there for Esther. And then go around the corner and go eat. Tara, come go Esther. So now we want to go Esther. No. Come, Esther, voila. Go on, Esther. Alright. Get her with the shell. Cranberry, come up here. Come up here.
Cranberry!
Alright, so we have 100 US. We have 100 US here from Sia, from New York. 100 US to help out, getting materials for the family. So it's code that says 100 US from Sia.
Thank you, Sia. And may God bless you and make your food basket never run dry.
Okay. So we give thanks to Sia. And we also have Rowan.
So much fun. See you from New York.
Alright then. And we have Rowan and Maureen Archer from Atlanta. 100 US again. So Rowan and Maureen. So Rowan and Maureen.
And Maureen, thank you so much. And may God bless you and make your food basket never run dry.
So it's Rowan and Maureen. So Rowan and Maureen.
Rowan for Maureen, thank you so much.
Alright, then Cranberry say Rowan and Maureen.
Rowan and Maureen, thank you so much.
Alright then. I will also have let me see which one is this. Miss Parlett. So we also have Miss Parlett from the UK. 13,000 here from Miss Parlett from the UK. Miss Parlett.
Miss Parlett
from the UK.
From the UK, thank you so much and may God bless you and make your food basket never run dry.
Miss Paulette from UK, thank you so much. Thank you, Paulette from the UK.
Yeah. So the generals are rolling here. Daddy just are rolling.
Yeah.
Big up, big up.
Yeah.
So, daddy this, you know. That's Christopher Ellis, Art and Ellis' son.
Okay.
So the legend's son come look for you.
Yeah. That's that.
Yeah. Alright, so we have a donation here. So thank you, Miss Paulette from the UK. And we also have the Richards family, Lorraine and Roy from the Richards family in USA. We have 500 US here. This is 500 US from the Richards family, Lorraine and Roy.
Lorraine and Roy from the Richards family, thank you so much and make your food basket never run dry.
Yeah. Lorraine. So Lorraine and Roy.
Rowan and Roy, thank you so much.
Say Lorraine
and
Roy,
thank you so much.
Alright then, so that's 500 US from Lorraine and Roy. We thank you so much from the USA for blessing the family. So earlier, so guys, as you can see earlier in the video, when we was at Ibo Spice, you know, we met our extended family and they gave us $5,000 to get something for the kids them, you know, because they're starting to get ice cream. So $5,000 for you, Toko, and Nana, and Tara, right? So what you guys gonna get this with?
Ice cream.
Ice cream? What you want with this? Ice cream. What you want with this, Toko?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Only if they made a fridge, we could have buy one big box of ice cream for them and put in the freezer. But yeah, cause it's cheaper, so. But they don't have any fridge, you know. So this is for you girls, right? So, Tara, what you want with yours? Ice cream? See, Tara say yeah. Them sell ice cream up here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And Upper Blackie.
Okay, so now 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, and then you can say, mommy and daddy, you can buy ice cream for the sell it, you know?
Them forgot look.
Oh, and look, man. So look, man. So look, man, around the corner, so you can buy ice cream for the whole of it. Right? So who's gonna keep it, mommy?
Yes.
Alright then, so everybody say, mommy, ice cream, you know? And that person is unknown, you know, it's unknown, so everybody gives no name.
Thank you, unknown, and may God bless you and make your food basket never dry.
Me Toko. So daddy will bring a 21 piece of chicken as well too. You know, it there for the whole, you know. And that is from Browning and her mommy, you know.
Browning, thanks and give thanks, you know.
Yes.
For honor and thanks for all the manners, all the thanks.
So no cooking now for go on today now. 21 piece of mash up. How many piece of chicken you want? 3. How many piece of chicken you want, Toko? 1? Alright, not bad. How much you want, Cranberry? 4. These look, man, how much piece you want? 1. So look, man, and Toko now go on. Tara, how much piece of chicken you want? Tara now talk now, Tara.
Mommy.
Remember he said 1, yeah? So make sure you tell Keno after. If it's 1 for true.
Yeah, if it's 1 for true.
Say 3 or 4.
Yeah. Cranberry says she want 4. Oh damn. Alright, so guys, so we give thanks. I will thank you so much. So we can thank Browning and family. Thank you, Browning and family.
Thank you, Browning and family.
So we're gonna eat up that 21 piece right now. Me I take piece a joke. Then I'm gonna say Keenan, you start eat back meat. Toko, you gonna drink out the juice? You drink out the juice? So how much you not give mommy and daddy outside?
2.
2?
Yes. Anything left back? If you look at my feet one, and juice, anything left back, you can give mother and father.
No, anything was left back. Your mommy and daddy I forget first too. A 21 piece.
You are sharing.
Yeah, I know you are sharing.
Mother share it.
Exactly. And you now get 4 piece.
1.
Yeah, we have 4. For the pineapple push off. You can't listen, no? You say anything was left back over, you just cook rice with it.
Yesterday, say there, I say cook.
What you cook yesterday?
Dumpling.
A big chef too, you know, Christopher. Yeah, she boiled porridge.
I'm fast. My mother, he said dumpling nice.
Nice?
Yeah.
Where you say Kenny, she dumpling nice?
Yeah.
Allah. You can make dumpling. Esther, you can make dumpling?
That's a rhetorical question.
That a female can make dumpling, you know. Of course. Yeah.
That no need the answer.
Listen, them can put on the rice, you know. But this new generation, you know, spare nails and, you know, and thing. Esther, yeah, it's a bite on nails, but a lot of them. It's like sharing time. Okay, alright. KFC.
You sure you want
KFC.
one you want?
That's barbecue.
Sure?
KFC. Oh, yeah, the barbecue at top and the normal one there right below.
Want the normal one.
Come try the one.
Want normal one.
You want barbecue nice?
I get 2. I get 2 of them. Mommy,
Toko want eyes, you know, Toko stand up on the juice just to get some eyes. Toko stand up on the juice because she want to look inside the bucket. No, sir.
Look how much fun.
Who want barbecue?
Want 2 of them.
You want barbecue as well?
2 of them.
Yeah, you can get them separate.
We don't have your phone. Just sit this. I don't want to sleep all day.
Esther, make this. Put it there.
No, I'm mine. Come on. This one I say I want.
That's the one?
You can get them one each of the barbecue. Yeah. But they're right there below.
I'm going to say yeah.
Mommy.
Nice. Yes, one. Okay. Yeah, the normal. And the chips in the bag as well too.
Me and my chips.
Yeah, real chips. Everyone get a chips. Inside another one. Look in the bag there. Look in the bag. And Toko, I said, me not getting the chips and I take out a big piece of chicken here. Alright, so the chips here. Yeah. One for you. Okay, 7 feet. 7 here. All this liquor, man. Well, all this for now. No, Toko, don't throw it away. You must throw it in the bin, okay? Yeah. Papi, I feed them this now. You just feed them some already. Yeah. What they would eat, see me all with the water. And them have some of the tin things them in them. So them already eat already still. So them probably want water right now for drink. Cranberry, make sure you eat it off.
You want some of this?
Wait, they're gonna show this. Emma, come.
Papi, not ready for yours yet?
No.
Cranberry, all this.
Huh? 3 pieces.
And I've been getting a 3-piece.
You want juice to go? We just come down.
Now you say you want 2. Now you say you want 2 piece. Weird. You want to say she want 2 or more now.
Thanks.
Well, I want him get so far. Yes, I want you one little man.
My eye and come back.
Tara, how much piece we get, Tara?
You better have something that call you.
Mine job. Hey, talking around with the food, yeah. I'm gonna eat it off now, right? Who never get any chips? You get chips, right?
Tara again.
Oh, Tara, you have chips in here.
Daddy, she found one left.
No one one table. You know, can't hold table. Well, the kitchen will probably have space. Gonna go one table as well too. One shelf. Yeah. Or a shelf.
Me didn't get juice. I'm going to shake it by myself.
Nice.
Again, shrink it short.
And when you throw the rubbish them in the bin after and finish. And listen, you must you know housework as well. You must help mommy do the housework. You know?
You must say, remember you wash the plate then.
And today's my idea.
So who sweep up the yard?
Me. Have you tell me come?
So who sweep up the house?
Me and Cranberry. No, let you clean up the house today. Don't tell lie. Sweep up the house and then go out there and sweep up the yard.
So Nana never do anything.
She go wash plate.
Wash plate?
And I even know she go wash them back over.
So Toko, what Toko do talk today? Toko? Just swim.
Yes, swimming.
Pure swimming.
You know?
And she eat the most chicken. I don't understand how Toko, they make Toko boss up everything.
Mommy. Where the Mommy.
Alright, dog. Uno not hungry now because.
If my white nose, I want to keep on more than a bad.
White nose. I look like I know him belly no move. No white nose belly no move. Yeah, I want to worm out. Papi, you know, say you have to go watch your intake, you know, with the eye. Yeah.
You better go down to feet, you know.
You got a doctor?
Yeah.
What them say?
I see him think after your side diabetic.
A diabetic,
yeah, because I'm a 2 eye.
A 2 eye?
2 of them, yeah.
Oh.
That's some of do all one thing there. But them turn about call me back with one different doctor. We see me come for do one thing there. And we call it you know. Then they say them go cut. When them say me do it.
Yeah.
At 25,000, but I do it. Me do it now, I may have to do it again.
But I'm gonna cut something?
Yeah.
Clear?
When it's a glaze or something.
Oh, laser, laser?
Laser, yeah. But I'm not supposed to see a next doctor first before that happen. Yeah, so I'm not see next doctor, yeah.
Because I'm diabetic, you know. I go, yeah.
You eat well?
Yeah, I'm not going to tell you something well, but me, yeah, I go around, yeah, sweet and something, really.
Yeah, like healthy eating. Because them say you have to eat more greens as well, to like callaloo and then something
thing where you don't feed them out and you have to eat it, because the white rice and then so the
yeah, even that as well, you have to avoid that.
Yeah, so there's something that I want to think.
You soda?
No, I'm not really trying to soda,
What kind of glasses for you?
no, too much for cover. Yeah, so then there's nothing at all, yeah. I just eye drops alone and they put in it.
Okay. Alright then. So I'm going to meet up Stone as well to forget Clarendon. I'm going to meet them. Because them just ship some stuff, one box of stuff as well for the family. And also some donation to help her through the fishing. So like I'm just give her some donation a while ago as well too. So we can get some more stuff, you know. So yeah, so what you get now is more than enough to buy a lot of stuff to get things done, you know, to get some more work done. Come see you start to do the So look about your liquor, because from where you're coming from to where you are now, yeah man, where you're coming from to where you are now is a big step, big move, you know, really big move.
Wonderful.
Huh?
There are more fast enough to me and you, but
yeah. We still move, when you are alone, you still move fast.
Still move.
Still going. What kind of tree you plant there, so?
Some peas, some red peas and the...
See the pine, yeah? Pine a come, pine and ginger. So this is the pine. Yeah. See the boom pine there. You never know.
Never know some pine, bro.
All this time you eating pine.
No pine topic, bro.
Yeah.
It's time to hurt it there.
Yes,
They just blossom.
Now the pine that you look for now, you know. Come here, say hello. You see? It's the pine. Christopher, I feel like you can write a hit song about this river.
Definitely, bro.
Oh.
It was something like, up a King River, touch my dress.
Yeah. Up your Marmy River.
Yeah.
See, I'm going to put in the Marmy River.
Up on the rock, Kino bring some KFC.
Hey. And the kids, them I enjoy.
Don't make it get to them head.
Yeah. And we are the food sweet them. They want it again. And when the kids them start to play,
the dogs them say,
they want more Papi Chow.
they want KFC the next day.
Yeah.
Better bring a bucket again. Otherwise the kids won't be your friend.
So the dogs them want KFC. Yeah man.
No, them meds are serious meds.
Yeah man, serious meds man. I walk up a river. You have 5 minutes to see the vibes, you know?
Yeah.
One time I sit down, go sit down.
Rubber dub, you know? Legend son in your yard, you know? Arthur Ellis, you know?
How many years you been here, bro? How many years you been here?
Well, because I'm going about 9 years now, because from Nana just born, over here Nana born.
Oh.
She. That's about 9 years now, because she's 9 that year.
Oh, 9 years.
So the one in the hospital or in the house?
No, hospital she born, man.
So in the hospital, you bring her through all this?
Yeah.
Cross the river, everything.
Cross the river and there's something there, yeah.
That's great, that's wonderful.
Cross the river.
July.
Oh, July. Or Leo?
That's born right after her mother, 15. And her mother 30, now she's 15.
Yeah, the vibe. So up there, so you're looking? That's Jack Hill, you know?
Oh, it's Jackson.
Yeah, Dub Club over there.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Jackson, the Bob Marley place them here look on over there. See the house so.
Alright.
Marley them, yeah.
I was there the other day. You know the ball field there, you know?
Yeah?
I play ball up there with Kes Namdi and them.
Oh.
Kes Namdi and Johan.
Okay, yeah.
That's nice, bro.
Nice. I can imagine.
That's how to take it there.
Yeah.
It's like artificial.
Yeah?
Wicked.
Yeah. Yeah, man, that's
I would never
the...
think that's up there.
You never think that?
Yeah. If you see the ball field, you'd never think that it has that. Bro.
Yeah, because you where it is, right?
It's amazing, bro.
Yeah, man, that's what you're looking at. That's the Marley them also over there. Jackson.
So the road is obviously in the middle.
Yeah, that's the road right in front of the house there.
Oh, yeah.
That's the road there.
Yeah.
So Dub Club will be like literally down here, so. So we're on the other side. We're on the other side. Yeah. Papi, I'm going on the river for a minute, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, man, you know where it goes. Right. Ken.
Bye-bye.
Yes, Godfather.
Bye, kids.
Alright.
Later.
Bye-bye.
Journey.
Yeah.
Yes. Nice to meet you. Respect you.
Yes, I. Alright then. Alright, eat up your KFC, Nana. Toko, bye-bye. Tara, you coming? Get me. Yeah? So the mother cool, the mother belly full, you know.
Cool on, look on.
The mother get dark puppy chow.
Fair puppy that, you know. And even fair puppy.
So wait there, Toko, how many chicken you eat already? How comes your box full up back again? No, sir. Oh, Toko, she get more than Toko about 5 pieces of chicken.
No, we just stick to the one, yeah? I want you get, you?
I want him get so far.
Alright, later, yeah?
Alright, later.
See you soon.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Can we get it enough?
Alright, guys, so we give thanks. You know, we have to thank you. So watch the sideways turn. You have to turn sideways.
I can go down camera.
No, a good thing he was looking at me at the same time. Alright, so I'm gonna put it on camera now.
Okay.
I have to turn sideways.
I'm not gonna fail now.
Sideways.
You say, think, it's just.
You want when them kids here run dog it like it wasn't nothing there. Yes, they will show me on the river part just a little bit.
Hey, I'm from
Trench Town. You got more people live here, you know. This is where we are. Come and cook right here. Cook right here. This is where we cook as well. So this is the vibration. Come and listen to the river. Trench Town. Christopher, you say coming tomorrow? Yeah, man. Watch out now. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.